Welcome to Safety First. My name is Professor Callux. I'm here with my assistant, the Groker, and today we're going to be looking at how an F1 car's seatbelt performs. A Formula 1 driver is secured in his seat by something that's called a 5-point harness. This consists of 2 shoulder straps, 2 under the leg, and a main central locking system with an emergency release button. The only difference being is it's made out of this instead. So how strong is this material? If you're travelling at 200 miles an hour and you unfortunately have a crash, you'd want it to be pretty strong. Let's put it to the test. Well, that didn't work. We need something a little bit stronger. I wonder what I could do though. Ah, I've just got the idea. So here's my idea. Found something stronger. We're going to set these 2 bad boys to work and I'm getting out of here. Let's see how they get on. There you go, me and the Groker couldn't do it, but apparently 2 cars can. At least my idea worked. We'll see you next time.